Welcome to Executive English for Global Competency. If you are leading international teams or pitching to global stakeholders, your words carry immense weight. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to replace weak filler phrases like "I think" with 5 powerful communication hacks that project instant executive presence. We will explore how to communicate with absolute conviction and establish authority. In the global business landscape, projecting authority is crucial. It requires moving beyond uncertainty to make a definitive impact with your communication. Words like "I think" are the noise that signal hesitation and destroy authority. To project the signal of instant authority, you must replace subjective hesitation with absolute conviction. Our Global Leadership Authority Framework focuses on 5 hacks. Upgrade your verbs, let the data speak, own your expertise, check for alignment, and drop the padding. This transitions you from hesitant noise to penetrating signal. Hack 1. State your conviction. Replace subjective guesses like "I think" with objective conviction. Use strong verbs like confident and believe to show you stand firmly behind your decision. Adopting confident professional speaking is essential for communicating effectively to your team and stakeholders. Hack 2. Let the data speak. Remove personal opinion. Instead of "I think," state what the data indicates. This makes your stance nearly impossible to argue against, as it is based on reports and facts. Relying on data provides an objective basis for your decisions, reinforcing your leadership authority. Hack 3. Own your expertise. Use "my recommendation is" instead of "I think we should." This power phrase subtly reminds everyone that you are an expert making an informed choice. Hack 4. Ask for alignment. Assert your point, then immediately check for alignment. This keeps you in control and forces a definitive response from your peers, ensuring consensus. Hack 5. Drop the padding. Deliver the message concisely, then pause. Confident executives state the fact and allow the weight of their words to settle in the room, without softening the message. Use this executive diagnostic to determine which signal to send. Whether it's data-driven, a recommendation, a need for consensus, a projection, or a hard truth, choose the appropriate hack. The signal matrix serves as your quick reference lexicon. It contrasts the noise with the signal, highlighting why weak phrasing leaks authority and which hack provides the executive upgrade. Applying these hacks consistently will significantly enhance your professional communication and executive presence. Executive presence is a continuous behavioral system, the authority flywheel. Each hack builds upon the others, moving from foundation and conviction to positioning, consensus, and ultimately, power. The first phase is foundation and conviction, built on Hack 1, state your conviction, and Hack 2, let the data speak. This establishes your credibility. The next phase is positioning and consensus, using Hack 3, own your expertise, and Hack 4, check for alignment. Finally, Hack 5, drop the padding, is the ultimate level of power. If you found these executive hacks helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Executive English for Global Competency. Which of these 5 phrases will you use in your next meeting? Let me know in the comments below. Next week, we are covering exactly how to politely interrupt in an English board meeting, so make sure you don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Remember, global competency starts with confident communication. See you in the next video.